Hello my dear friends, I am Sri Arjun. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about such technology and economics. What is economics? Economics is the policy making for the well-being of the entire nation. But if we see the history of economics, we will see there is no well-being. Why? Because the policy makers are always motivated and influenced by certain sector of people. They take care of ballot boxes. When they are making economics equation, economic policies, they only take care of data and information. What is data and information? Data and information are always of the past. Our past activities, economics activities, constricted economic activities. So you are applying that past information and statistics data which are motivated or constricted activities of the past. So you are applying the constricted statistics and data to create a new model. And that something made out of constricted phenomena, it will be constricted, and it is happening. When you are making economics equation, then can you engage human sentiment and feelings, emotions within your economic equation? Can you incorporate it? No, you cannot incorporate or add human sentiments and feelings and emotions into your economic equation. See, always inflation is going up, GDP going down, and a recession, every time there are recession for past 20, 30 years, economic recessions are there. And firms are always under the pressure of capitalist. So in that constricted identity of economics, economics cannot play. Economics must have the freedom. But today's economics has no freedom. There is always the straitjacket in the economics. Why? Because the world leaders, the policy makers, their mind and brain are not reflecting adequate volume of consciousness. As long as they are not reflecting adequate volume of consciousness from their mind and brain, the problem cannot be fixed. There are much knowledges and theories, educated economists. In spite of all that, nothing is happening, nothing concrete is happening in the fundamental level. As long as the consciousness is not reflecting from the mind of the nation, nothing can happen. So such technology is that technology. It will make you understand that what is consciousness, and how we can upgrade our layer of consciousness, and how we can apply it in the making of economic policies. Then everything will be settled automatically in the economic activities. So my dear friends, join hands with us, participate with us, so that we can bring a phenomenal change in the economic sphere, and such technology is meant for that. So my dear friends, subscribe my channel so that you can get all my videos. In every video I am sharing new ideas with an absolute truth of consciousness. So your participation is required. Do take care of yourself. See you soon.